white Gucci suit, I'm feeling righteous. Yeah, I know that the truth is hard to digest. Yeah, 5 or 6 pills in my right.
YouTube, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing my first PC. Yes, I finally got it. Alright, I'm doing, this is disclaimer, me and Bubba, we don't know specs, we don't know graphics cards, we don't know nothing. We plug it up, we play, that's the monitor, ain't nothing too special. We plug it up, we play, and we bust your ass. Open this shit. I'm not good at this, Bubba does this. Oh, shit. Ah. I'm sweating to the eye now. Alright. Shit, look heavy. It's upside down. It's upside down, right? No? Okay. Okay, this box, I guess, is whatever that is. This is the PC. Let me put this up.
Lift with your back.
Then, let me see, anything else in here before I show you the PC? Alright. Right here we got, I'm guessing that's a power cable. I guess. Put that right there. And nothing else in here. Oh, this other stuff, because it's kind of heavy. This must be the keyboard. Yeah, it's keyboard and mouse. I'm gonna keep it real with you. This keyboard is kind of trash. What is this? They gave me a regular. This is a regular keyboard. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be using that one. Dude, get the camera on my face, son. All right, they gave me a regular keyboard. Okay. And they gave me a regular HP mouse. Okay, we're definitely gonna throw that to the side because we're gonna use that. The HyperX one. All right, we're done with this box. Okay. Now, on to the parts that y'all been waiting for us. Oh my, it's so beautiful. Ooh. It's so, I'm so heavy. That's what it is. Okay. This is the PC. Okay. You see that? Got the Omen on the front with the nice fan. And got your, you see all that? Got your, what that is, the audio and USB?
Yes.
Audio, USB. I'm sorry, I don't know nothing about PC, and we got whatever all this is in the back. That's all we know. So, we're gonna pause this video. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we plug everything up on game.
Okay, YouTube, we back. Sorry we so late, but he had to try to play Fortnite. As you can see, he not that good.
Yeah, don't play with me, boy. I'm just bugging, man. I'm just learning.
Nigga did the same 84 times.
That's no wild head.
What we watching? Y'all think he good at Fortnite? He ass on.
Oh, this is not my original settings, so I can't even show off. I gotta do my settings.
What you got to say for yourself?
That.
Imagine you just having the face cam like right here.
What you say?
You'll watch your face cam and be like, right here. I mean, look good right here.
Huh?
Look good right here.
Yes, Lord.
YouTube. Okay, Shanti, we back. He's amazed about Fortnite, I guess.
Look how much easier this is on keyboard and mouse.
He not doing nothing.
I ain't doing that, but look how the sensitivity and stuff, like you, and they be complaining about controlling aim assist. Look what y'all can do. Y'all can spin in a full 360 by just doing this. But y'all complain about aim assist. But y'all can do all these things. Look at this. Like, you could just build a whole little castle just like that. Like it's nothing.
My homie told me I'm bougie. You done?
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna record this thing. Alright, y'all, this is the finishing touches. Don't worry about my setup. It's gonna get better. I gotta get another monitor, but you know, this is everything. Controller, this is the PC right here. You know, we pristine. Omen. There's Lord. This is for us. But yeah, see y'all in the stream on Game Bit.
Shout out my label, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 Trey. I just pulled on me a A. Real nigga all in my face.